Hello guys, Dhananjay and welcome back to a new video. And as you can see, I have the Realme C11 with the box itself. We are going to unbox this product. We'll talk about its camera features, what's new when it comes to Realme C11 from Realme C3 and how it performs when it comes to PUBG mobile gameplay as well. Without further delay, let's get started. First of all, the box itself, number one quality smartphone brand, number one quality. Oh my god, that's awesome. When it comes to the features, Realme C11 comes with 5000 mAh battery, 6.5-inch mini drop full screen, and this is a 720p screen, not a full HD screen, but considering the price tag, it's totally acceptable. 13 megapixel dual camera and Helio G35 gaming processor. How well it performs in gaming, I'll show you some PUBG matches as well. When it comes to the pricing on the box, the pricing mentioned is 8,999 rupees, basically 9,000 rupees for the 2GB RAM variant with 32GB of internal storage, and that's the variant which I have over here. I'll talk about the pricing later on, whether it's good or not. First of all, let's unbox the product. Actually, I've been using the device for 1 day already, so I unboxed everything. I have set it up, I played PUBG, installed applications and everything, but for the sake of this unboxing, I put everything back once again. And there we go. When it comes to the device, it says made in India over here. When it comes to the charger, it is a 10-watt charger. And not just that, the charger is also made in India, which is another nice thing to see. But the size of this charger is pretty big for a 10-watt charging brick. Earlier Realme chargers that I've seen are a little bit smaller. You also get a micro USB cable in the box, because this device even in 2020 comes with a micro USB port. And I guess that's pretty much it for the unboxing experience. You also get SIM ejector tool and the normal regular manuals. I did not I forgot where I kept those, so I did not show them, but yeah, that's the case. Let me just reduce the brightness a little bit. Yeah, this is the perfect brightness, I guess. When it comes to the physical features, this is how the Realme C11 looks. I mean, new branding, Realme is written like it is very bold. When it comes to in-hand feel, the device does feel good. This is entirely made out of plastic, but as the device is priced so low, I'm not going to complain about that. The dual camera setup that we talked about, 13 megapixel primary camera, and the second one is the depth sensor. Here are some sample shots that I've clicked with the device. The good thing is that even after the price being so low, the device supports HDR, chroma boost and nightscape and slow motion as well. That's really good, considering Samsung with its 21,000, 22,000 rupees phone did not add any type of night mode. When it comes to the 5 megapixel front facing camera in good lighting conditions, this is how the pictures turned out to be. Once again, pretty good for the price. So when it comes to camera, I'm going to say that yeah, it did perform pretty good. When it comes to this 6.5-inch huge screen, and the bezels are not that huge, as you can see. And when it comes to this 6.5-inch screen, the bezels are pretty minimal for the price tag. I mean, I'm surprised by this, but the device has a 720p screen, and I have the performance mode turned on, because with the regular mode, the device was lagging a little bit too much while installing applications and everything. As you can see, if I open the settings application, it will take a couple of seconds to open it up when it is on performance mode. The device also comes with 5000 mAh battery, so even if it's on performance mode, the device should last an entire day without any issues. With the regular mode or low power mode, you can get through 1.5 days as well, depending on your usage. Now let's talk about the G35 processor and how good it is. Helio G35 processor, as we saw on the box, is a gaming processor. Basically, G35 is almost like exactly same as P35 processor. It does not come with any power cores. It only has A53 cores. 8 cores are all A53. There is no A70 series of core, which are the powerful ones. When it comes to G70, there are 2 A70 series cores, because of which it definitely performs much better in gaming and all other tasks. Whereas G35, as it comes with Helio G35, which is similar to P35, which comes with only Cortex A53 cores, the performance is not that great. And as you guys are excited about PUBG mobile gameplay, here it goes. PUBG mobile game can be installed from the Play Store. I mean, obviously it can be. It can go from smooth to medium. That's it. Not even high settings are possible with this gaming processor, and I was quite surprised with this, considering it is being branded by MediaTek as gaming processor, G series processor, and no smooth and medium option, like no 30 FPS option, which was really disappointing in my opinion. When it comes to PUBG mobile gameplay as well, I did not even dare to play classic matches because it lagged so much in normal TDM and quick matches. Just look at the gameplay. I was lucky that I got few kills that I could show in this video at least. Otherwise, it was so difficult to play on this device. Not just that, as the device comes with 2GB of RAM, while playing the game, I accidentally pressed on the home button and tried to re-enter the game. but the game restarted and it went through the entire boot screen and everything, and this happened twice with me. I just pressed home button and went back into the PUBG Mobile game and it restarted. And by the way, I was not running any other application while I was playing PUBG Mobile, and the performance mode was turned on as well. So that was quite surprising that it restarted. But considering 2 GB of RAM, I guess that's how the performance is going to be. So if you are very serious about PUBG Mobile, then Realme C3 at the price tag of 9,000 rupees or Narzo 10A will be my recommendation any day, as the Helio G70 processor will perform much better, twice better as compared to Helio G35 processor. The device comes with a triple SIM card slot, 2 SIM cards and 1 memory card. It can take up to 256 GB of memory card, which is a good thing if you're planning to use a memory card. By the way, when it comes to pre-installed applications, the Hello application, which is banned by Indian government, is still present, but these units were manufactured before the notification came from the government, and Realme has clarified that they will be removing all these applications. And by the way, you can uninstall these yourself as well. It is not like you cannot uninstall these at all. And all the devices manufactured after the notification will not have these applications pre-installed, so that's a good thing. When it comes to overall pricing, I would say the device comes with micro USB port at the bottom side. There is a speaker grill and headphone jack is present over here. And when it comes to the display quality, I liked how the display looks. When it comes to the maximum brightness possible, that's pretty good too. As you can see, not the brightest, but once again, we have to consider the pricing, and in that case, the device did perform pretty good. I also want to mention that there is no 5 GHz Wi-Fi support on this device, only 2.4 GHz network. Realme C11 will cost you 7,500 rupees. Not just that, Realme C11 is not actually a successor to Realme C3, and that was quite obvious considering Realme C3 comes with G70 processor, as we talked about. But what do I feel about the 7,500 rupees pricing, considering the device comes with only 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage? I feel like 2 GB of RAM is little bit too much for in 2020. If you can do extend your budget to 9,000 rupees and get the Realme C3 or Realme Narzo 10A, those are much better devices when it comes to performance as well, because they come with 3 GB of RAM and a much better processor. And I guess that's pretty much it for this particular video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. If you still have any more doubts, suggestions or queries regarding the Realme C11, then do let me know about that in the comment section box below. I'll be more than glad to answer your queries. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.